How to clear land with a farm tractor. If you own a farm tractor, you can use it to clear land if the lot is not heavily wooded and will not require excavating tons of dirt. Keep in mind, farm tractors come in various sizes, and larger ones are more suited for land clearing tasks. You can use your farm tractor to pull stumps, cart away rocks and clear away trees and grade the land. However, if you are looking to excavate large tracts of land, requiring the removal of thousands of tons of dirt, you may want to consider another option. Things you'll need: bucket loader attachment, bulldozer attachment, chains, backhoe attachment. Use the bulldozer blade to clear away any small trees, rocks, debris and brush scattered on the land. Accomplish this by scraping the land to knock over trees and push everything into a pile. Attach your chains to pull out any tree stump, sand, large boulder you couldn't remove with the bulldozer blade. Take off the bulldozer blade and put on your bucket loader to remove the pile of debris, rocks, stumps and boulders. Use the backhoe attachment to do any required digging, such as digging trenches to bring in water for example, or to dig out any big boulders you can't yank loose with just your chains. Reattach the bulldozer blade once you have cleared to land to level and grade the dirt to prepare the land for farming or any other project you have planned.